All right, we are back with Mr. Jeffrey's Algebra 2 with stats. Hey, I know. I'm going to let y'all fight each other. So, oh my gosh. Anyways, so I think I need to turn the brightness down on the TV as we're doing some other things and trying to get people to uh, semi behave. Um, I would like to remind you to hit the like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and things of that nature. So, shh. All right. Now, remember, this is growth or decay. It's decay if it's between 0 and 1. It's growth if it's greater than 1. So, number 1 would be decay. This would be growth. This would also be growth. That's easy 6 points right there, guys and gals, and everybody in between. All right. That's it. Okay. So, now, on this is part 3. Check it out, part 2 for the test. But on this stuff right here, I'm trying to see a way to mark this. Um, this one, this one, this one, and I can't remember this one or not. I'll have to double check. Some of these are only have 2 problems in them now. Okay, because they're kind of simplistic. All right. So rewrite in exponential form, this would be 3 to the 4th is 81. This will be 4 to the 4th is 256. And this would be, that's supposed to be a -3. There's a typo. I did catch that on the test. So I fixed that one. So this would be 5 to the -3 equals 1 over 125. So trying to have a lot less typos on the test. But I'm sorry, I am human. Okay. Yep. Now, also, if as you're filling out stuff for your orange sheet where it says part 3, this will on the test it will be part 2 and things like that. All right, rewrite in logarithmic form. So this would be log base 6, 216 equals 3, log base 2, 18 equals -3, and log base 5 of 1. Yep. And that's it. Okay. Now, granted, I'm very happy that I got, what is it, 34 problems on the practice test? 32. Okay. I got 8 of them gone. Okay. So now we're only down to 24. Okay. All right. Everybody good through number 12? When is our test? Tomorrow. When's your homework due? Tonight. When am I checking homework? When you are taking your test tomorrow? Yeah, me and other teachers we get together and we go. No, I've had this planned for since last Monday. Okay. All right. Do you think I talked to other teachers at this school? I mean, sh- I mean we yeah, I mean we chit chat. I mean, do you think like Like there are teachers that see me and they go the opposite way. Like they try to like I don't exist or something. Okay, this is 7 to the x power is 343. So this would be 7 to the third. This is 15 to the x power is 1. Well, that's 0. 2 to what power is 1 over 8. Well, this would be -3. Okay. So I think this one is the last one that has 2 on it. I think the other ones, I can't remember. Um, I finished it this morning during first block. So, all right. We good through here? Okay. All right. With the calculator. Oh, biscuits. All right. So this is log 7. So we literally hit log 7. Is it there? I can't see. Can't see. Okay. Then enter. All right. It says 3 decimal places. So if this is 0.8450, that's 4, 0.845. Okay. Below that's the natural log. So ln of 8. Enter. 2.0794. So 2.079. And then log 0.5 is negative 0.3010. So negative, messed up, 0.301. Now, a lot of this stuff seems simplistic, yes, okay, but it's kind of like each section is something totally different. So as you're preparing your orange sheets for tomorrow, I would take that into consideration. Okay. What? 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 Do I have comments turned on? Yeah. Yeah, I can. I have comments turned on. So, what? Oh, yeah. Yeah, hunting stuff. Yeah, I have a video to show y'all later. Okay. Shh. So, the definition of supercomputer. Yeah. So, expanding this, okay, because this is multiply, I can write this as log 3 plus log y to the 7th. Okay, and to finish that up, we would just bring that 7 in front like so. Okay, just going with the properties that we have. All right. This one, this is division, so I would subtract. So this is log 5 minus log x to the 4th. Kind of the look, these two things are super similar. Okay, it's almost this one's the product property, this one's the quotient property. This one still had the power property. Okay. And I only have the expansion on there. I don't have the condensing. Okay. This is log x plus log y. Oh, sorry, to the 7th. So this would be 7 log y. Okay. So kind of that way. Now, one thing that has changed from the way that I had the test last year to the test this year, you don't have so many transformations. Okay, you only have 4. That stuff, y'all should be just about be sick of transformations by now. And we're actually not done with transformations at all. We still have more to see later. Yep. All right, we good with this one? These 3. Anybody need more time? Even though it's going to be on Schoology where your homework is later in this lovely video. All right. So, transformation. All right. Here's the original. This has a +6, so this would go up 6. Here's the original. There's a +5 right there. This is our h value. This would go left 5. Okay. We got a negative right here, so this is rotate or flipped at x-axis. And then this one, we have a -7 in here. This is, again, this is our h value. This would be right 7. Okay. All right. I do know on this part, it's part 8 on the practice test. It's part 7 on the test. You still have 4 of these. Okay. All right. Solving these problems, remember, we start right here. And then we solve. Now, granted, there's 4 different ways to start this. I always start with just by getting all my variables on the left-hand side. That's just a Mr. Jeffries thing. That's one. And I can't remember if I made these equations easier or harder. You say, oh my gosh, they're not that bad. All right, so m equals -9. Y'all can do this stuff, though. Some of y'all, when y'all hear the word test, y'all start hyperventilating. Arms get, knees get weak, your arms get heavy. There's vomit on your sweater already. It's mom spaghetti. You're nervous. But on the surface, you look cold and ready to not bomb. I could keep going. Keep going. But you keep on forgetting what you wrote down in class as I went over it. So nice. If you say something stupid, the burn will be so bad I'll have to give you ice. All right. Yeah, I know. What? So we're here. We move it, move it. I get 9x minus 2 equals 5. How do I solve 9x equals 7? Well, there's this crazy thing where you just, yeah, fractions exist. I know 5 out of 4 people have issues with fractions. Okay. Did somebody say I hate you? Yeah. I had a shirt that used to say that, and I'd wear it on Fridays, and every Friday, a different kid was like, "That's me," and I'm like, "Yes, I know." Huh? I don't hate anybody in this class. I might not like the behavior I see in the class. I might not like the behavior of people in this class as far as not liking any one person. That's a no. All right. Shh. So on this one right here, all right, here's our two situations. Find f of 5. So is 5 less than or equal to 4 or greater than 4? So we're going to use this one. This is a calculator problem. Or for those that don't know how to use your calculator, that's a bigger problem than that. So this is -4. All right, negative 2 is less than, so this is it. So I would use this one. -6 minus 14, so this is -20. Okay. Now, here's what's crazy. We're almost done with this going over this practice test, and we started maybe 20 minutes ago. And that's just going over it. All right, and this is more problems than the actual test. Okay. All right. And the last one. So, -3. I go to -3. I have to go up here. It touches the graph here. That y value is 3. All right. F of 2. I go over to 2. There's a closed circle and an open circle. Which one do I count? The closed. This is 2. Okay. Now, yes, this says 32, but you're going to have 24 on the test tomorrow. Don't forget, if you haven't yet, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell. I don't know what is going on with this right here. Okay. Good stuff, good things. Roll Tide.